Dream, See, Do, where people learn better together. Modern learning systems have stripped the humanity out of the learning process. Dream, See, Do brings the humanity back by integrating interaction, social experiences, and unique participation options. Connect, learn, and share together as a community from any location at any time with Dream, See, Do. Create and cultivate your community and connections. The People page connects students with instructors, subject matter experts, and peers. This is more than a typical social platform. View individual life progressions and connect on an emotional and authentic level. Allow the Dream, See, Do community to inspire your journey. Connect with the community by discovering others' accomplishments and exploring unique stories. Share pivotal aha moments, interests, dreams, and influential books that inform life decisions. Just like powerful in-person workshops, sharing events and stories amplify motivation and learning. Message a community member with just one click. Dream, See, Do's intuitive design seamlessly integrates features throughout the platform for a unified experience. Providing support feels natural throughout the site. Learning communities are segmented into groups to empower shared insights and support. Groups provide motivation in learning cohorts. Groups can be split into smaller teams of 5 to 10 people to maximize engagement. Each feature promotes the community to provide support and encouragement. Participants seamlessly navigate course content. It's easy to find a course. Use keywords to search for course titles and content. Search by in progress, completed, new, and all courses. Courses can also be filtered by one or more tags. Filters are maintained by course admins. Admins have quick access to all of their tools, and they can easily view how courses will appear to participants. A course is simply a container for content and activities. The content is organized into steps. Each step has an estimated time for completion. Setting expectations lowers anxiety and improves motivation. Editing courses is always just one click away. Each course has hot links for course and group admins to have quick access to editing tools. Courses have a variety of content options, including text, audio, image, videos, live video chat, and Google Docs. It is easy to insert a survey or questionnaire. Simply add a form. Each form is saved so that they can be reused or copied in other courses. While developing a course, it is easy to switch to the student view without stopping your progress. Select Preview as Student for a quick look at how a step or content block will appear to students. Complete the steps and practice activities in Student View to see how the course flows and test the step options. An exciting and unique feature to the platform is integrated one-click live video. Dream, See, Do is the only LMS that has a way to hold a live video inside of the course. Simply add or edit a content block to include a live video. Set the time, duration, and a reminder. When a live video is scheduled, it automatically sends a notification before the start time. After the live video, course participants can access the video recording in the course or on the activity feed. Most LMS require students to statically click their way through a course. Dream, See, Do empowers dynamic course response types, including text, audio, image, and video. Google Docs are also easily integrated into courses. Create a Google template for students to fill in, or link a Google document for editing. Course invitations link to the marketing page. This page can display an introductory video or background image. Find pricing, social media sharing links, social proof of other participants, an overview of the content, estimated time to complete each course activity, and details about the instructors. Your learning community isn't limited to Dream, See, Do. For each course, learners can add a supporter, friend, or coach. If they know another participant, they can add them to their support community. Participants can also invite a supporter from outside of Dream, See, Do by entering their email. The supporter will get an invitation to come see what the participant has done and provide feedback and support. Due to the interactive and motivating nature of the platform, course completion rates are around 300% higher than other learning management systems. A variety of expressive response types empowers participants to contribute fluid and natural responses to course activities and exercises. By allowing participants to express themselves in their own way, they are more willing to showcase their reflections and learnings. Privacy options help learners feel comfortable and protected. Participants can always override privacy settings if they feel that their response is too personal to share with the rest of the participants. Video reflections and check-ins can be recorded on web and mobile. The response prompt displays while recording, making it easy to remember. Include a hashtag or add a description to the response. When participants complete a response, they are encouraged to provide support to others. This creates a more interesting and motivating learning environment. Participants can seamlessly flow from a course response to the learning activity feed to provide encouragement to others without losing their place. Provide feedback through comments or awesome a response. The learning activity feed provides social proof of activity and completion. It's the hub for shared support and learning interaction. See dynamic responses and provide support and motivation. Add images, links, pictures, and videos to the activity feed. Easily filter the learning activity feed by activity teams or courses. Pin engaging interactions. Pinned reflections stay at the top of the feed for continued discussion. Private team and group messaging is another easy way to engage with peers, teams, and instructors. Messaging is seamlessly built into the platform. Learners can send messages with just one click. There are multiple access points to view participation. Go to the home feed to view students' real-time course progress. In addition, the dashboard is your bird's-eye view to see course progress and level of support, enabling you to track who is receiving encouragement and feedback. You can also easily see who is falling behind. Click through responses to comment, provide feedback, and support. If there is a form or poll, easily access the results. Dive into participants' overall learning activity and accomplishments by viewing their work journal. The heat map displays course engagement by date. Hover over a date to see how many items were completed on that day. Select the date to display all of those accomplishments. Learners can feature their best work by adding their favorite activities to a portfolio. Share independent work or activities by adding a journal entry. Enter in the activity and date to add it to the work journal. The foundation of meaningful learning is connection, motivation, and support. Empower learning communities to share, practice, and learn together. Bring life into the online learning experience. Improve course completion rates, retention, and outcomes with Dream See Do, where people learn better together.